Backporting Python 3 open encoding equals utf-8 to Python 2. I have a Python codebase built for Python 3, which uses Python 3 style open with encoding parameter. This URL. Now I'd like to backport this code to Python 2.x, so that I would have a codebase which works with Python 2 and Python 3. What's the recommended strategy to work around open differences and lack of encoding parameter? Could I have a Python 3 open style file handler which streams byte strings, so it would act like Python 2 open?
One. To get an encoding parameter in Python 2. If you only need to support Python 2.6 and 2.7, you can use io.open instead of open. IO is the new IO subsystem for Python 3, and it exists in Python 2.6 and 2.7 as well. Please be aware that in Python 2.6, as well as 3.0, it's implemented purely in Python and very slow, so if you need speed in reading files, it's not a good option. If you need speed, and you need to support Python 2.6 or earlier, you can use codex.open instead. It also has an encoding parameter, and is quite similar to io.open except it handles line endings differently. 2. To get a Python 3 open style file handler which streams byte strings. Note the B, meaning binary.
I think. Should do. Here's one way. Here's how to do the same thing when writing.
This may do the trick. Then you can keep your code in the Python 3 way. Note that some APIs like newline, closed, opener do not work.